Yo, thank you for joining. I really appreciate it. It's 11:19 a.m. Pacific time. It's September 21st, 2025. Let's begin. First US XRP ETF gets green light. Here's how to buy it. First US exchange traded fund ETF tied to XRP will make its market debut on September 18th, marking a historic moment for the altcoin and expanding Wall Street's exposure beyond Bitcoin and Ethereum. For the uninitiated, US spot Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs were approved earlier in 2024, with the SEC greenlighting spot Bitcoin ETFs on January 10th, 2024, followed by spot Ethereum ETFs on May 23rd, 2024. Since then, spot Bitcoin ETFs alone have attracted more than $57 billion in net inflows, led by BlackRock and Fidelity. ETFs have crossed $60 billion. Circling back to XRP ETF, it is launched by Rex Share and Opry funds under the ticker XRPR, and is structured to hold XRP directly while also allocating a portion of its assets to other XRP products. This also comes as the SEC approves the listing and trading of Grayscale Digital large cap fund covering BTC, ETH, XRP, SOL, and ADA. Launched in 2010, Rex Shares is a US-based ETF sponsor known for creating niche exchange-traded products. Currently, Rex Shares offers T-Rex leverage ETFs, exchange-traded funds designed to deliver amplified leakage or inverse exposure to specific assets. SSQ ETF, a Solana-focused ETF with staking exposure to generate additional yield. Rex covered call ETFs funds that generate income by writing covered call options on underlying assets. Growth and income ETFs, blended strategies aiming for both capital appreciation and regular income. Rex Bitcoin Treasury converted ETF and ETF, tracking companies with Bitcoin in their treasuries via convertible bonds. Microsectors, thematic leveraged and inverse products focus on niche sectors of the economy. Rex UCITS funds, Rex lineup of ETFs structured under Europe UCITS regulations for international investors. Most of the products listed on Rex Shares website are ETPs, except of a Solana staking ETF. XRP ETF, how to buy. Before launch updates, make sure your brokerage account like Kraken and Public are on the latest version. Fund accounts have settled USD cash ready in your brokerage balance. Decide order type, use a limit order instead of a market to avoid paying too high. Buying on Kraken, log in to the Kraken app or web platform, go to the stock section and search XRPR. If it appears, tap in the fund's details and confirm it's XRP ETF. Tap buy, select limit order, enter the number of shares and your max price. Submit the order once the market opens, or use extended hours if enabled. Check your portfolio after fill to confirm your position. Buying on public.com, log into your public app, search for XRPR under ETFs. Open the front page and tap invest. Choose limit order, enter share, and submit at or after market open. Refresh later if the ticker doesn't show immediately. Sometimes new ETFs take a few minutes to pop it. Fidelity may or may not list XRPR on day one. If you want to try, search XRPR and see if the system allows orders. If it is restricted, you'll get a not supported message. XRP ETF trading tips: stick to limit orders on staying extended hours or after hours. Double check the ticker. XRPR is the ETF. Don't confuse it with the direct XRP crypto. ETF versus spot crypto. For novice investors, the XRP ETF eliminates the need for investors to manage self-custody, wallets, or regulated exchanges. It wraps XRP exposure into a security tradable on traditional brokerage platforms. XRP In October, derivatives giant CME is expected to introduce XRP futures, giving traders additional tools to hedge and speculate. As said, I really appreciate y'all. Thank you for joining. Smash that like button, comment down below, let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Instagram, the Studio 11. Follow me on X, the Studio 2020. I like to say Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. Thank you for joining, and of course, it's until next time.